This channel explores scientific research on psychedelics and mental health. We focus exclusively on evidence-based information, no promotion of recreational use, only rigorous science, clinical ethics, and genuine well-being. Our mission is to separate fact from fiction in the rapidly evolving field of psychedelic research. Psychedelics represent a distinct pharmacological class of compounds that interact with brain chemistry in profound ways. These substances primarily activate 5-HT2A serotonin receptors in the brain, triggering cascades of neurochemical activity that alter perception and cognition. Unlike sedatives or anesthetics that suppress awareness, psychedelics expand consciousness, enhancing sensory perception, emotional depth, and introspective capacity. Psychedelics don't numb or suppress. They illuminate and reveal hidden aspects of the psyche. These compounds create heightened states of awareness that can facilitate deep psychological work. The experience is characterized by increased neural connectivity, emotional openness, and cognitive flexibility, qualities that may support therapeutic breakthroughs. Leading research institutions worldwide are studying psychedelic-assisted therapy for various mental health conditions. The results are remarkably promising. Clinical trials show significant reductions in anxiety symptoms, particularly in treatment-resistant cases and end-of-life anxiety. Studies indicate rapid antidepressant effects, often within hours, with sustained improvements lasting weeks or months after treatment. Research demonstrates powerful results in processing traumatic memories when combined with psychotherapy support. The therapeutic mechanisms of psychedelics operate on multiple levels, from molecular changes in the brain to profound shifts in psychological perspective. Psychedelics promote the growth of new neural connections and strengthen existing pathways, essentially rewiring maladaptive patterns. These substances reduce activity in the brain's default mode network, allowing individuals to break free from rigid thought patterns and explore new perspectives. The insights gained during sessions become lasting changes through careful therapeutic integration and ongoing support. One of the most exciting discoveries in psychedelic research is their ability to promote rapid neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to form new neural pathways. This neurobiological flexibility may explain why patients often experience breakthrough insights and lasting symptom relief after just a few therapeutic sessions. We will conduct research that aims to contribute to the investigation of having more concrete data on the influence of psychoactive substances on the treatment and mental well-being of patients with depression, anxiety, and trauma undergoing psychotherapy. In our case study, we will use ayahuasca, which contains the psychoactive substance DMT-1. DMT, dimethyltryptamine, is a powerful psychedelic compound found in various plants and used in traditional Amazonian medicine. When combined with MAO inhibitors in the ayahuasca brew, DMT becomes orally active, creating extended altered states conducive to deep therapeutic work. Responsible psychedelic therapy requires careful preparation, professional guidance, and structured integration. It's never about the substance alone. In our study, a sample of 60 people will be selected and divided into two groups of 30 patients. Group 1 will undergo a 6-month treatment with psychotherapy and ayahuasca intake. Integration at 3 different times, in the 3rd, 4th, and 5th months of treatment. Group 2 will undergo the same treatment, but with placebo intake at the same times. The objective is to understand if, at the end of the 6 months, psychological tests demonstrate improvements in the patient's conditions, and if there is a significant variation in these improvements among the patients who took ayahuasca. The 2 groups will be divided into 3 subgroups, with patients suffering from depression, anxiety, and trauma. We are launching a clinical research project to further investigate the therapeutic potential of psychedelics for mental health conditions. We are following gold standard research protocols with ethical oversight and peer review at every stage. We are prioritizing safety, informed consent, and comprehensive support for for all research participants. We are contributing to the growing body of scientific literature with transparent, reproducible findings. We have some important considerations. The psychedelic therapy is not appropriate for everyone. Medical screening, psychological assessment, and professional supervision are essential for safety and efficacy. These substances carry risks when used improperly or without appropriate support. The research we discuss involves controlled clinical settings with trained professionals, vastly different from unguided or recreational use. You can support our work. The future of mental health treatment may be profoundly transformed by psychedelic research, but only if we approach it with scientific rigor, ethical responsibility, and genuine care for those suffering. Join us as we explore the science behind these remarkable compounds. Together, we can separate evidence from hype and advance mental health care for those who need it most. Please contact us to find out how you can help support our research.